Artificial intelligence feels like it appeared overnight. One day nobody was talking about it, and suddenly, AI is everywhere. In this video, you'll learn why AI exploded recently, the biggest myths about it, and how AI actually learns, all explained simply. So why is everyone talking about AI now? The truth is, AI isn't new. It has existed for decades. The recent boom happened for three main reasons. First, we now generate massive amounts of digital data every single day. Think about all the photos, texts, and videos being created. Second, our computers are incredibly fast now, capable of processing all that information much faster than ever before. And third, the AI models themselves, the algorithms, have improved dramatically. When you combine huge amounts of data, powerful computing, and smarter algorithms, AI finally becomes useful for everyday people. Now let's bust some common myths about AI that cause a lot of unnecessary fear. Myth 1. AI thinks like a human. It doesn't. AI processes patterns. It doesn't have consciousness or emotions. Myth 2. AI understands what it says. It doesn't. It's just predicting the next most likely word in a sequence based on the data it's seen. And myth 3. AI knows everything. Nope. It only knows what it has been shown in its training data. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not magical. When you remove these myths, AI becomes a lot less scary and a lot more useful. So how does AI actually learn? It's simpler than you think. Imagine AI is a student. You show this student thousands and thousands of examples. After seeing enough examples, the student starts to notice patterns. Over time, with more examples, the student gets better at recognizing those patterns. For instance, if you show an AI thousands of emails, each one labeled as either spam or not spam, it eventually learns to tell the difference on its own. AI doesn't learn by thinking. It learns by comparing a massive number of examples. The more good examples it gets, the better it performs. You hear the word data all the time, but what is it really? Data is just information. Text, images, numbers, videos, sounds, all of this is data. AI is completely dependent on it. No data means no learning. It's that simple. This is also why the quality of the data is so important. Good data leads to good AI results. But bad, biased, or incomplete data leads to bad AI results. This is why AI systems can sometimes be biased or just plain wrong. They are a reflection of the data they were trained on. And that brings us to why AI makes mistakes. It's not because it's being careless or lazy. AI makes mistakes when the data it learned from was incomplete, when the patterns in that data are unclear, or when we ask it a question in a confusing way. The tricky part is that AI will almost always try to give you an answer, even when it doesn't really know and should just say so. This is exactly why human supervision is absolutely essential. We should think of AI as a tool to assist our decisions, not as something that replaces our responsibility. Now you know why AI suddenly became so popular, what it really is, and how it learns by spotting patterns. In our next video, we'll dive into exciting topics like deep learning and generative AI, and explore how AI can create text and images that seem so human. Make sure to follow or subscribe to continue learning about AI with ease.